Whether you want to learn graphic designing for fun, for professional career, or to fulfill any academic need, you are welcome. My name is Imran. I am from Lahore, Pakistan. I have done Diploma in Computer Software Hardware from National Institute of Science and Technical Education, Islamabad. My qualification is Master of Business Administration from Allama Iqbal Open University, Islamabad. I love graphic designs. I have more than 7 years professional experience in graphic designs. Since I am using Adobe Illustrator and Corel Draw for vector-based designs, Adobe Photoshop for raster-based designs. For video editing, I am using Adobe Premiere Pro. Now there are two types of approaches while learning graphic designing. Number one approach is tool-based or sequence-wise. In this approach, we will discuss and see the magics of every single tool in details. The other approach is project-based or task-wise. In this approach, we will collect some project and will learn different effects and tools while completion of those projects. Believe me, it will be more fun while learning. You are here and still thinking it's amazing for me. Just take action and book your first lecture now and let's explore the whole world of graphic designing together. I am waiting for you.